ene eye yawada obenembo sumene da etosu du mienu ewa afimpinu ene eduonu nsia emu aha aye Sompa aha baako achipo baako kasafidie oha ene baako achipo baako kasafidie no wasogusu awutie no yefra me Ekua Twumasi baba mo nyina adwo ne amakwaba ede aba ye kasebo yi eso na wo ye kasebo no ensem a obeti wo mu bi ene se ejebo eje enya aba bedru be se afi baako mu nie ena ahyenkafo a wo mu ewo Tarkwa main station esu ase ekwan no ewo se mpanimfo hwe na ko ma ekwan didemu ekoye nkrata atro ekoye assembly akoniabadie sesi ano nyame adom empanifo ati omusufre den ena aba wo ho ehun kyeremu e wo hanum se yede ebro sa so ena akwakopie mu sesi ano se upe eye DVL fo number plate bi ato na upe de yetwa aguma omemu hanum se no ba bia yeton no takwafo so ebi wo hanum wei ene nsem afoforo binum a aka ena mesin konya minute aduonum 21st clinic daroma waso masene a mede ensem no eba besomo Shano Swami Kasebo no aye live ewo YouTube aye Sompa FM live ntino na wabomodin akohonom de opesa wo twoto obi ano fato honom na fei se wo hye so na wo hye ama obi anya bi na wa like so e de aka ho yen hye Kasebo no enchechemu no ase se wodi wani achiremu ewo Tarkwa Nsueam nsimpon yi mu a abandada no penso a na onabo George Mekuduka ono aye yemra hye bedwamni a onabo Benjamin Kesse aye aba na musini ena wo mo penso ekwan yi wo mo ye de ma ye kama na ekame aye se wo mo ye se ano ebema akonia badie ho nsem aye de kwapom se ufa enkofo se wo de wo mo free Tarkwa akra na se wo de mo kota kra de a se wo beda na wo ho ti se de kane no wo mo da ne wo mo ho ano makofa anta na mo kono ebe ye de kwapom se we no afi na wo sa bebe wani ma ba be fro pepo no se ebia wo fa na ngode no so ana se utwam aba befa commercial bank honum na ebi mu kase na enya de a mo ka no kra etimi eforo enti no wei enam so ema empanimfo no etrotro krata na ekama yese wo ma mo ho dada ne de abandada no amfa enti yekoto aba wie yi a onabo isosale futela ne onabo ebiniza kobna eba ye no ena afeidie wo mo sande nkrata tro no eni sufre ni na akoda wo mo na sesia no enra ena empanimfo ye ne se womo ayiyi ekwan ni mu dada enti no ene womra na wonfa mehye wonsa enti sesia no se ukọ Tarkwa anase ebia wo hwe kwan ni mu a wo be hu se womo ayiyi enye bibia enti na mpanimfo so omusunye no ena mansimpon yi ate wonka watimi aye bibia te sa dia ma wo enti no enra na omde kọhye wo musa na adwumedie na se no onabo Ebeneza Kwabna yaba na musini ekopie mo adwumedie na se
engineer e wa ha oye menua David Bo ono de mu eda mama na hambo kwa ma wati aweda mra oye ye papa no omode sa concern ba ye se sa kwa we ye kana yindi ma won I'm glad that ba ye even proud to that brano na oye how son of kwa ba because na call aba bebre we can say ye hwe na ye dis ade no letters upon letters in a call upon call in a travel upon travels I say ye ko Tarkwa de ese ye kwa kra ese o man kasa so fret amusuma team said the ye ka no ampa de MC wo kan ye se bia o ha wani na wa ka bibi they came o mo ba pe then I gave them to engineer o no mo ko kwa no so na de ye ka no mo say it indeed a reality ya ye back and forth as far ye can or last year sem or ye this year sem back and forth sir in fact get approval now oil the pan so you be a obepa but usan say adna ko banhia say you know drivers omo applause akwan yusu no ombenya sa access no na oni say mitumi ejai to the real language baby nti the to say na mo no say sa akonya ne baba God being so good me and the grass ko gbo akiri e wa akra wo ho e no mfam so sa ankomodie na ye dia na me approve aba nti ye dia mi se monko ye ideally na kwa ne se dia se ko campo e so mo be because I don't get a contractor no ye kwa no hand over e kwa no nti ye se ko touch ade no kwa so a ono so a different case I told them, say, see, I don't want my approval. I didn't, someone obey. But how approval process crown, what takes how long? Because if you tell one can one for years, I have 4 years ago. Now, I don't know muscle. In the young we take it up ourselves. So I charge my road engineer and say, I deal with almost a year. Whatever cost involved, let me know. Mammy, now, all your day, then crown one, side deal with what I say, yeah. Or the BBA by be okay everything. I'm almost starting project in the pet Bisano. Catch and say, project time na mediation, no problem.
Enti Yera MC Honorable Ebenezer Kobana ena wono so ede sanse metuja de kopem se ekwan na nye wo mo pen so ena wo mo eyeye nti na ehwa kwako hia pa se wo se wotimi de kwa aban mu ema entrotro ene impenifo di tum ansana wo mo ahyase na eno achi no woto aso ka se na ebinom enso e kire se ema wo mo mie kwan nim de kopem se ba ne sa ebema traffic abapa na hwese ahyenkafo esu no na wo bi nso ka bibi foforo na ni nyina mu no ene de nyame adom wo mabie kwan nim na botaya na se de nam so ma wo mudi bie kwan nim so no yewra echechire mu echre sompa kase
na se wan hyase so asa tam na me de amane so wan hyase me meba ho na ma behwe oya so den kakra na de na me man de da de no anko ni na ezo have to be ni Sunday no ka so be ni Saturday on be hyase nti ohume ogusu ya no se mabetwem road glass ka che se mini me na me ko wo mu sampa adno no kwanye me no me di akiri because I had here there na me adom ende akwana dem ye bibia atom 21 days na I say adno to on dry na oye taxi drivers na all other vehicles no wo to use say na me adom time na so o to say bibi na ye dem a ye nuanom drivers na o mo use Mamen can't say we put them. Yeah, Ghana for long. Normally, say, in Yabia, Kunya Bakumba, Nimpana, now, so I have 5. Now, the purpose are, yes, I did. Now, if I say now, what it you. No one serves our purpose. We won't say, oh, I can say, oh, in and out. We won't say, be very good. But if you are better than one, so no chief driver. The greatest challenge ever is traffic. Huge traffic congestion. We started say, oh yeah, then the course are some of them are typical engineers. I them say, chief, one who says I do you are Hana. Why? And they say because that is a great desire on why say me more this idea we pasope traffic ebe koso atapa ha no chief yeah unto me handle and the cost that is here we say we receive it into we no anya obolo so njo ndi obe ya anke sa de ni njai
enti Yera Ebenezer Kobana na motene nka no na wasan ka sesi ano ekwan no omabie mu pie eno pa ho a dia ka bia no se wo ya eno soso no emwa se de be ya akonya be de hu nsem e be konani
the number of people who are pushing for this and the number of people who are saying say they be man here no I say we na okay versus I do we are here the number of people be deficient and I say on be so far no e greater na eso I say kakra yo nka say they be man here so when they said it my disrespect you, but I told them say but however I say still I'm look into it. Now the benefit everybody. And indeed, there benefit everybody can see. So we went ahead. Say you see I the mesre or association before. Pa ne say most money be this idea. Engineer church open eye reason I na purpose are SSF. The purpose no I think say one can two. Say when you load fi happen. Over to me every station na walk straight. Say o Tarkwa do go keep go so go and get then you go. So if you say not so person then you enter the station. If you are person being in your station, I said only know about and I say only know energy. I think these are the two reasons how much I did and as I same reason no and I papa most of buy say I mean I do when a panel down now the median woman not be na park or top line all men on bound bridge. When you say, hey, or you never someone decide you are excuse. In your pamba, you say, I'm Yamiado. You bring up an yaba. Now, Madame Yasu said, you are Casano, or say, media for her. And media to our barber, Munina. Into Cassawi. In the year, Castle, I know, sir, it will be a discussion, subject of discussion tomorrow. Media for back and once a minute now. Educational, media for no son radio so. But the others, most of them, almost more radio, our kind.
Enti, dear Enra, MC, a kind, Yabana Musini kind, and no, and I am so, yeah, and Hanum say, no, Entino, sir, Oyashankanina Utimia. Yeah, already air cane, now I shall so nobody's pepper, Vanessa, and penny for Echewa, as some ebeba pa, and Nadia said ebeboa. Now, you're Derek Obin, as so a year, Eben Rose engineer, and I want also just say, one more year, quite new pepe, and I rather for no chassis, said what in crata, ebra womo. Now, one of the honor you may need. And a wire and you may be. When him to me be an assembly and crown said the woman can go move yet. And Tina was said one more train man penny for my client's son. And Tino Andra, one also in a Cassano, say, and I would the two yenim.
The media no continuous. Now, you really know all the concerns about assembly. Say, design I on a how because I'm going to do some copy baby. No more than baby should cry just almost four and top line before no. I'm a cast, they go ahead to me for near cause problems. Don't be concerned about honorable MC. Send them a car and a fine Ghana Highway Authority. A fine into be preoccupied on Fansanka. Jene, honorable MC, and Ghana Highway Authority agents are also. I'm almost going to engineers by MA assessment. It will be a bit in our opinion about transport operators. These are openings and I here. They send a car and they are creating out. Send a bear different station and just over U10 or baby. Ulodi over 10 and left. We have created only one in. One in, we didn't just create it. The studies say if it is in now, and cause a problem. They are creating one in with the Tarkwa main station. The driver now the passengers say bar main Tarkwa station or near money are there. Between the number, not being in near man. Yeah, no idea. So far, those are the assets they are creating.
Enti yera Derek Obin Eben Rose engineer and round so or day na no eto ekwan sesia no wo mo ebiemu e de ama ahyenka force nei se ofa passenger force wo de wo mo kwa enye obetimi e de wo mo apie wo de wo mo ba so obetimi de wo mo ewrem enti we de atadwe yate de pa esem de na yate baba e homoden se yebekọ ahoma no so enye nneda foforo na ye ne yewra no wa kusu akwakodi ho enkomo we de mehyembo na yede yakase ebo no ebe awieye no yeko eye DVL fo akache na wo mu pani pa da wo ma no eye yera Julius ni kwei kote na wono so se ano ekama yesese akwanhia bisi anase bibi ni na se nhwe ka na wo ma hwehwe ma enya de se wo mu behu ka ne number no kora wo mo wodom na de se wo mu register ye no we medican ede ehun komobo aba mekase ebo yimu e wo hanum se ya na no na wo se ukwo Nigeria ye alata memu a eno no baby ba ko pe na oman ni baby a se watoka foforo a person register betimi akọ na so Ghana ha de baby abefa bia obenye bi empo nam so ma wana akasa mu obi kire ne baby ye bi ma ne koyo ne ma me jiniska ampa so ade a kye no koyo no ode number plate no ma no enti se ano empanimfo ade nhihye ye egu akwan mu se enya de se obema kwan amasa ankofo no abosa abra no na nei Ghana ha no baby bebre na wo mu etonton sa na ema ne nyina no emfamra kwan so enti wo behwe na wasia no kwan na fei nhye wo no so no empanifo e de egu akwan
the past 2 weeks by the DVLA in collaboration with National Security and Ghana Police have uncovered a well-organized criminal cartel involved in the production and distribution of counterfeit DV plates. Our investigations reveal that over 30,000 fake DV plates have been illegally introduced into the system. Based on the official DV plate cost, 417.25 pesos, the estimated street value of these fake plates currently in circulation exceeds 12,510,000. That is the fake plates that have been procured into the system. 12,510,000. Beyond these activities of these criminal networks are causing the authority to lose in excess of 20 million Ghana cedis annually through the illegal manufacturing and sale of counterfeit number plates. This is not merely a regulatory breach, it is a criminal enterprise that threatens national security, undermines law enforcement, and deprives the state of legitimate revenue. Our investigations further revealed the operational structure of this network. Fake plates are manufactured at an undisclosed location. They are transported under the cover of darkness to a distributions including Kumasi and Tarkwa. More worrying is the fact that many of these fake plates are issued together with fake motor insurance documents. We strongly urge the public to desist from engaging the services of middlemen and guru boys. Members of the public are advised to deal directly with authorized DVLA staff for all services. That is why we are opening more branches or stations. In 1 year in office, we have done 13 offices. As I speak with you now, next 2 weeks, that is from 23rd or so, next 2 weeks, we are opening 5 more offices. The introduction of RFID chip-enabled plates will make it virtually impossible to replicate or circulate counterfeit number plates within the system. This initiative forms part of the authority's ongoing digital transformation agenda aimed at strengthening transparency, enforcement, and service delivery.
Enti unimu say number plate na aban enyi ntumu no adwuma wo ya no de a en na bomodin a na yihu film sempo say watakwa ha wo temenka bomodin na wakasa tu mfonya sa mpanifo chewa amra no ene wo ebedi papa abusuafo yede mu besi e wo hanum sei ye frem Ekua Twumasi na yada 21st clinic fo nso ase se adaroma wo mo so ya sene de kope me say yade e wo honum me ntimi nsi kwan se mo bi anyare e na wo nso so ntimi nsi kwan na emom e kanipa ho enu nti de bia me ka tro say se wo yare a bomodin a fafa 21st clinic se de be ya wo mbetimi ya show na emom e kwan na baby yen kan tro say kwa ha be wi ase na akwa ye boachi bidin e ba ne sa edru se oba 21st clinic na obe doubt me pesa obe doubt dinti no ehwe ya bomodin se obetimi ni omadi nkomo me ka say e bia na wote yaw e wo do mpani baabi ene de enye se bia mrewa no nko ano mote yaw emrante ye nyina ye ka ho bi enti ebi so ana wo de no akwa ya de fufuro bi ya de bia titi bia ne bra wo ba wo mo e de wo befa nhwehwemu mu ansam sana enimdifo e de aduro e de amaw hye no so ma me se eye bibidro kan eso e na wo de san ya de